Hey, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. We're going to make another 21-inch flower using this amazing cat sign with that purple watercolor background. We're going to be using 21-inch purple, heavily fold 21-inch. And then we're going to be using the 21-inch black horizontal white stripe on a 14-inch Dollar Tree frame using the plastic grid in the middle. I did use a 5 1/4 inch to get my circumference so that my sign will cover those zip ties. And they're spaced out about 1 inch apart all the way around. So we're going to need 11 petals. So let me bring you down so I can show you how to make them. All right. All right. So 21-inch can be a little hard to use, but I promise you can do it. Grab you some clips. And it's easy. So 21-inch piece of squared mesh. We're doing diamond shape. We're going to bring that top tip down to the bottom tip. We are making the daisy chain petal. Here's where you just have to have patience, y'all. Have patience. Grab your clips, clip that tip, and then just start walking that edge up until you get to the tip, just like that. Grab you another clip and clip it. We're going to do the same thing to the other edge, but this is perfect if you want a huge flower using your 21-inch mesh. We're going to clip this side. So we just have a big triangle. So now we're going to bring the bottom almost to the top, about 1 inch from the very top. Go ahead and unclip it, roll it up about 1 inch from the top, just like that. And then we're going to bring it completely to the top. Grab your clips, go ahead and start clipping. We're going to do this all the way across. Go ahead and grab your clip from that tip. Grab your clip from this tip. Now we're going to completely fold this piece in half. Bring in both of these tips together, just like that. And then we're going to go 7 inches. So we're going to line this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to go ahead and pinch that part together. We're going to use a band for this part, and then we'll bring the zip tie in on the next one when we wrap it with that horizontal white stripe. Okay, just like that. You can go ahead and take off your clips. So there is our inside piece. This part right here. Isn't that pretty? Pick up all those different purples in there. All right, we're going to put this piece aside, and we're going to grab our 21-inch horizontal white stripe. This is a heavier mesh, so it's definitely easier to use. So same thing, 21-inch squared piece, diamond shape. Bring your top to the bottom. Just kind of flatten it out. And then we're going to bring that bottom almost to the top. Bottom completely to the top. Use your clips again to hold this in place. too big not to use your clips on these. So just like that. So we have our folded edge and then our solid edge. We're going to have our solid edge face down because that's going to be our top ultimately. We're going to fold this in half. Just kind of make a U shape. We're going to grab our purple and we're going to tuck it right in there. And we're going to wrap this black right around. And see, I'm just kind of scrunching it to bring it around. And now we're going to grab a zip tie. And I'm going to tighten the zip tie, but not all the way. Okay, we still want to be able to move our black around because we can see how much space we still have in there. So now we're just going to start grabbing our sides and then just gently pull our black down. Because we want that black to fit as snugly around that purple as we can. Remember, it is just Deco mesh, so it's going to be a challenge, but you can do it. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm just going to gently kind of tug, elongate that petal, and then put it right in place. And we can adjust this if we need to once we get everything on there. But our petals will start to tighten around each other and hold it in place. Okay, and then we're just going to cut off our excess. Definitely don't need it. So there is your 21-inch daisy chain petal. Okay, now we're going to bring our frame right back up. Now, like I said, we used a 5 1/4 inch diameter. I've got 11 zip ties around, 2 finger widths, so approximately 1 inch apart. Y'all know I use my body parts, my fingers. Okay, so now all we have to do is start putting these in the zip ties. You can see I put that zip tie right over the zip tie that's already on the petal. If they pop out, it's okay. We can adjust them once we get everything on there. They just tuck right back in. Now we want to make sure we're putting this solid edge faced up. This part is going to be face down. That way you don't see all this folded edge. So we did 11 of these pieces. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Almost reminds me of like a cat eye. colors. Now I did do an extra one just in case. We needed to tuck another one in there, but I don't think we're gonna need to do that. The prep is gonna be the longest part of throwing this together. So it looks like 11 is going to be perfect. They're sitting right next to each other, which is what we want. So we're just going to clip off the zip ties. It's big, y'all. So an 8-inch is going to fit perfectly in here. You can go 10-inch if you would like. I should have printed a 10-inch just to show you, but I think I have a 10-inch sign from earlier. So if you wanted to add a 10-inch sign, that's what it would look like. We are going to do this 8-inch cat because it matches perfectly with that mesh, y'all. So we're just going to take those pipe cleaners, run it right down through the middle of that grid. I want it snug. Now I'll be able to tell more whether I need to adjust these petals once I get it up. But I'm just making sure that all of these are not kind of turned. You can see how that one's kind of turned. So we're gonna straighten her up. Just like that. Look how pretty that is. Bring you up. So they don't take long to put together. But that thing is huge. So it ends up being about 27 inches. 27 inches in diameter, but look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. So, Dollar Tree frame, grid in the middle, 11 daisy chain petals, squared 21 inches, 5 1/4 inch diameter, 8-inch sign, and they're spaced 2 finger widths apart, which is approximately an inch. Well, there you go. All right. Y'all have an amazing day.